Hello guys, I hope you're doing fine. This video I will release it. I am recording it at 21st March 2026 at 10:46 a.m. That's in Nairobi time, but in New York time is 3:46 a.m. The markets are closed, so it's on a Saturday, and so nothing is moving except for crypto. Cryptos work for even during the weekends. Okay, if you want to trade all the time, go to that market. I do not trade cryptos. What I'm dealing with right now is gold. I want to quickly um, talk about where I think gold is gonna work on next week and how we might probably deliver next week and what I want you to be aware of. Okay. I don't want to put out the volume imbalances. So we have these downside delivery here for the whole week. You can see this is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This is the daily time frame. What I was looking at and what I am paying keen attention to right now as to where referring as to where price closed on Friday. That is yesterday evening. I am grading these down close candle week. Uh, the candle on Monday, 2nd Feb 2026. This down close candle. I have the point 0.5 level here, the consequent and cross trend. I talked about how on Thursday we were focusing on this draw, and on Friday too, this was a draw. You see what is happening now. This is the catch. This is the catch. This is the catch. This is the catch. Do you see how this candlestick closes with the body below the point 0.5 level here? That tells you that we're gonna come for this sell side liquidity here next week. This here. Paying attention to this sell side liquidity here. I have this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. But why didn't I use these here or these here or these here? Yeah, sure, you can use them. You can use them. I have that one there to there. Okay, you see that? So I'm gonna extend that to the right there. That's the daily BC. That so this is very crucial. Okay, but was used as an IFVG to deliver lower. See that? So we have two confirmations here. Price closing strongly below this daily BC. We are strongly bearish and we are coming for this here. We already used this here. So I'll instead choose to leave it out. We have these here. There's a rejection block. If price comes and breaks below it, gets back to it, it's gonna be used as a mitigation block. Ah, beautiful. New terms here. Did you know that? I don't want to be coached. I don't want to listen to you. I don't- some guy coming to my DM, and people are just crazy, man. I don't give a fuck about you. First of all, don't even DM me. I don't give a fuck about what you're doing. I only give a fuck about what I'm doing. Okay? Don't bring no shit to me. And he's saying, you know, I don't. You think I want to be told what to do? I I have learned enough. Did you know that? Do you even know about what I'm talking here? Listen, and if I know you're gonna come back to this video, nigga, and you're gonna want to hear what I'm gonna say because I am the goat. Fuck you. Fuck you, man. You know you're nothing, and you did not know nothing. So shut the fuck up and let me talk, okay? Shut the fuck up. You don't know nothing. Don't come to my DMs. Nobody should come to my DMs. I don't give a fuck about you. We have a community, and that's where I want us to talk. That's where I want us to interact at my YouTube community. That's the only public place I am going further to as a trader. I don't give a fuck about the internet. I don't post myself. Nobody knows me. Those who know me are only close to me. And those are the people who get the advantage of being close to me. Okay? So we have this here. Price closing slightly below that consequent encroachment. So we are coming for this sell liquidity here. So watch out that. We don't know where the market will open at. So this week was used this here. So this week is not used. So you might want to grade it fully with all the fib levels that I show you. What are those? Go back to my videos. Fuck you. I have this here. Sunset imbalance. Ah, very important. I have this here. Sunset imbalance. Very important. Okay. These here PD arrays are gonna be used when we wanna push higher later. Okay. But for now, this is my area of interest. I wanna see whether price will take out this sunset liquidity here. So we will study that this year. But I will be with you through the week, next week, and I know that we are gonna do amazingly, uh, better than every single day. The June contract is out on Nasdaq and stocks. Was out yesterday, 20th. So that means we're gonna see nice and very beautiful price runs like these, and they're gonna make us profitable. I'm gonna call it out. I'm gonna say where it's gonna go, and we are certainly gonna have a good time up to June. So thank you for listening to me, and be aware of that what I said. Okay, this here and this liquidity here. Okay, this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here daily. So that this here. So I want to see how price will use these levels here on come next week on Monday. There's something I wanted to also talk about. Go to the weekly time frame, but how do you trade? Hey, shut the fuck up, man. So you see that liquidity there? I'm looking at that. Also, this here, this here. But we're gonna see how price will use these come next week, next month. Sorry, next month. So don't worry about that. We're gonna be mostly on the daily time frame, and because that's where we are gonna see how price will deliver daily, and I'm gonna call it daily. So we have this here, okay, this one here, this week here has been used, was used yesterday. I use that, okay. Yep, I think that's it. So have a good weekend and be careful out here, okay.